Hey guys, welcome back to Arcade Garage. Today we're at my dyno and got this in my dyno. Just finished up, session was ended short, and my last pull I did hear a bit of a bang, just looked underneath and I can see some tail shaft bolts. So I think, pretty sure I did them up. Maybe I didn't, I don't know, I don't remember anymore. But I think there's just one holding it in now. Hopefully it didn't do too much damage. But so I'm gonna pull it off the dyno, just whack it on the hoist quickly because I got another car coming. Check that out, I got bolts at home. This will be enough to get it on the trailer, hopefully. Yeah, so just for you guys that don't remember and new to the channel, this is a dead stock Ecotec. Came out of the wrecking yard, had 230,000 Ks on it out of a VX, I believe. MRE, custom Speedway camshaft in it. Speedway extractors, I had to mod the hell out of this one. Speedway exhaust, so it does sound a little bit different to your normal Ecotec. Doesn't sound like their exact ones because I had to modify the Y pipe to clear the trans and cross member. Came out of a VF. But yeah, had to modify a lot of it, and they run a tiny clutch. This doesn't. But yeah, this doesn't sound exactly like a normal Eco, which is pretty good. Yeah, the 411s killed the power readout. It made more than the usual cammed Ecotec, but should have put a different diff in it for a better readout. But anyway, we'll get on. It's going to be probably a little bit tighter some power runs because they've got to get some cruising, I guess you'd want to call it, sorted and dialed. But yeah, anyway, we'll get it started, we'll get into it, and hopefully the motor stays together. I don't really know at this point. So yeah, I'll just wait for Dash to come on and then we'll start up. Got no AFR sensor probe in the exhaust, just going off the link one, so dyno readout won't show it, but that doesn't matter. Anyway, let's get on with it, let's get this up to temp. So that was the first proper run done and made 239. It was very rich up top. I don't have much timing in it at the moment, so that's promising. It's already making more than a stock usual one, so that's all right. Speedway cam's good. another 5 horsepower. Fueling's still not the best, so let's go over that again. Like, it's close, but it's not where we want it. Alrighty, do another run. Do another pull. Make sure that camera's still recording. Yep. Took all the timing back out of it, and it's definitely happy with where I first actually started with. Don't know if I'll sprinkle a bit more up top, but I'm just going to go look at the fueling on that. Alrighty, so we're all done. As I said at the intro, pretty sure it snapped a couple tail shaft bolts, unfortunately. But let's get on to what it made. So we'll come over to the screen here. Hopefully you guys can see. That's where we ended up. 257 horsepower. It made like 258 on one of them, I believe, but this is just the last run. Horsepower's horsepower, doesn't matter. But yeah, so we'll run over everything. Don't worry about the AFRs because I was just going off the link one. So we'll get rid of green. I think might have been yellow that made a touch more. Yeah, 258 was the yellow one. And it made bulk amount of torque. It was like 490 Newton meters or something. But the cam really comes online strong at about 3,000 RPM and just carries over power mint, which is really, really awesome. Had a 6.5 limiter. This is ignore this RPM, it's off. Just because I got stock rod bolts. But anyway, I'm pretty happy with that. I did want to take it up and down the street. I was going to do final 3 runs. I just changed the fueling a little bit, but because of those bolts that are snapped, let's see. Let's go underneath. Let's have a look. You can probably see if you guys can see them with me. No, you probably can't, but I can see them. So let's get you guys right in there. So there's a bolt just there, and there's another one somewhere up the front. I think it's like there. Anyway, that'll do for an event. Should be all right. A bit of a shame about it. Would have liked to finish the tune up and see what it actually made, but hey, it is what it is. So I'm going to end it here. I might set the GoPro up for the fun event where I'm driving this so you guys can hear some in-car footage, and hopefully the missus will take some videos from outside. This car is going to get targeted quite a fair amount. Well, my mate said that they want to go door to door on this and put dents in it, so that'll be good fun. But anyway, I've talked a lot. I don't know if this video will be interesting. Probably not for you guys, just dyno run after dyno run. But anyway, as per usual, leave a comment, like it, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on the next one.